Good morning, students. History, chapter 2. So, yes, till now we have covered mercantilism, origin of the East India Company, and European powers uh, such as Portuguese, French, Dutch. Then, among the European companies, there was a struggle for power also. So, today we will see the Battle of Plassey. Let us start the class. Let us see what are the main causes of the Battle of Plassey. So when the battle was fought with each other, before that some reason will be there. Okay, without reason the battle will not took place. So let us see the main causes. Background. Background means what is the background for the Battle of the Plassey. So after the fall of Mughal Empire, the rulers of independent kingdoms emerged. Okay, these independent kingdoms, they wanted to promote their own interest only. So they gradually, what they done? Gradually they isolated themselves from one another. So these conflicts, so among themselves there was no unity. So these conflicts encourage the external forces. So among themselves no unity, automatically there's the external forces here, this East India Company. Okay, to take advantage of this situation. So this when situation is favorable for the external forces, and they have to establish their rule in India. So in 1756, Aligardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal. Here, who is the Nawab of Bengal at that time? In 1756, Aligardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, and the line was succeeded by his grandson, Sirajudullah. So after Aligardi Khan, Sirajudullah became the Nawab of Bengal. Once he took the charge immediately, he started try to check the East India Company. So he tried to check the East India Company bid to extend the fortifications of Calcutta. So they are trying to fortification. Here, what is the meaning of fortification? Means a defensive wall or other enforcement built to strengthen a place against attack. So defensive wall means if they will construct, they constructed one big wall. Okay, that is called the defensive wall. If any attack is coming, so they have to protect themselves. Okay, so reinforcement, other reinforcement built to strengthen a place against attack. Okay, that is called fortifications. To extend the fortification of Calcutta and get the trusses the company had accumulated from the Bengal treasury at Dhaka. So accumulated here, accumulated, accumulated means gather or build up. So they have to slowly, they have to involve the Bengal treasury at Dhaka. Who? This East India Company. So besides, he refused to give more trade concession and privileges to. Here who he? So Sirajudullah. Now because he is the Nawab of Bengal, so Sirajudullah asked the company to stop in the political affairs. So don't interfere in the political affairs. He asked the company, don't to stop all these things, don't interfere in the affair of the political. So stop fortification. So you need to, Sirajudullah asked the company to stop the political affairs dominant and stop fortification and pay the revenue, and pay the revenue like pay the privileges. So he refused to give more trade concession and privileges to East India Company. So before coming Sirajudullah, so they got company got all the concession, trade concession, lot of privileges, okay, from the earlier Nawab. Now after Sirajudullah took charge, okay, so the Sirajudullah asked the company to pay to stop all the political interference and stop fortification and pay the revenue. So the company started conspiring with the rivals of Sirajudullah to over him. So Sirajudullah, so this company, they don't like it because they want. So the company was worried about the power of Sirajudullah. Now company started to worried about the power of Sirajudullah. When Sirajudullah learnt about it, he marched with his soldiers too. So they were keen on a puppet ruler who was willingly give trade concession, and so before the now Company people want a puppet ruler, but Sirajudullah was not a puppet ruler. So here puppet ruler, what is that puppet means? Means a toy. Puppet, you know, where puppet means a toy. The term is referred to a person who is controlled by someone else. A person, puppet, what is puppet means? A person who is controlled by someone else, who is controlled by someone else. So Sirajudullah is not a person, is not controlled by someone else. Okay, so when he came to power, he started to ask the company stop all the political affairs and stop fortification and pay the tribute. So, but the company was now worried about the power of Sirajudullah. They were keen a puppet ruler who would, puppet ruler means who would willingly give trade concessions, other privileges. So why did the company want a puppet ruler? Puppet ruler. Why did the company want a puppet ruler? A puppet ruler would willingly give it trade concession and other privileges. So puppet ruler would willingly give it trade concession and other privileges. So Sirajudullah marched 30,000 soldiers to the English factory at Kazimbar. So English factory at Kazimbar. In Kazimbar, English factory was there. So Sirajudullah marched 30,000 soldiers to the English factory at Kazimbar. He captured company officials. Who? Sirajudullah. So Sirajudullah marched 30,000. So he took the soldiers to the English factory at Kazimbar. So factory and captured, also captured company, those who are there in company officials. He also captured English East India Calcutta headquarters and compelled the officials to surrender. So he locked the warehouse, this blocked all ships, and he told all the company officials to surrender. This is the background of the Battle of Plassey. So after the fall, once again I will repeat, after the fall of the Mughal Empire, the rulers of the independent kingdoms emerged. So this independent kingdom, they wanted to promote their own. This is the situation. There was no unity among the independent kingdoms. So this situation is favorable and established their rule in India. Okay, in 1756, Algarj Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, he was succeeded by his grandson Sirajudullah. Now his Sirajudullah came to the power. Immediately he tried to check the East India Company. He asked the East India Company to stop interfering political affairs and stop fortification and pay the revenue. So now the company was worried about the power of Sirajudullah. So they were lean on a puppet ruler. So the company wants a puppet ruler because puppet ruler means who would willingly give trade concession and other privileges. Like this ruler company wants. So the company started conspiring with rivals of Sirajudullah to overthrow him. So the company, when the news of the Sirajudullah tried to check the East India Company. So the company wants to. So the Sirajudullah asked the company. So now Sirajudullah marched 30,000 soldiers to the English factory and Kazimbar. He captured the English officials and locked the warehouse, blocked all English ships and surrendered all the English officials to the Sirajudullah. Okay. Now Battle of Plassey. When the news of the English defeat reached Madras, Robert Clive was dispatched with a strong troop to recapture Calcutta. The British forces under recaptured Calcutta, conspiring with Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of Sirajudullah. Sir, the company started conspiring with rivals of Sirajudullah to overthrow him. Okay, then he marched to Calcutta to establish control over the company, Fort William there. Who here Surajudullah marched to Calcutta, okay, to establish control over the company, Fort William there. He attacked Fort William. Many Englishmen ran away and some were locked in a small room. It is believed that were 100 lot of people remain alive, rest of them were died due to suffocation. The Englishman informed the British army. Now all the British officials were ran away because now Sirajudullah, when Sirajudullah marched to Calcutta to establish control over the company Fort William. Okay, so this news was reached informed Englishman informed the British Army. At the time, British Army General Robert Clive about the fall of Calcutta. So Robert Clive was at that time. Robert Clive was in Madras. Okay, Robert Clive dispatched with a strong troop to recapture Calcutta. Now Calcutta also Calcutta also was under the control of the Sirajudullah. So when Robert Clive heard that news, okay, so Robert Clive dispatched with a strong troop to recapture Calcutta. So Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. So between Nawab of Bengal Sirajudullah and British Army under the leadership of Robert Clive in Plassey. So Plassey means name of the place. Okay. So now battle was fought between Robert Clive and Sirajudullah. The British forces recaptured Calcutta. They conspired against Sirajudullah with the help of his commander-in-chief Mir Jafar. Actually, they can't fight directly. Who? These company people. So they conspire against Sirajudullah. Okay. They also conspired against Sirajudullah to help the. So here, commander in chief Mir Jafar. He was the commander in chief of Mir Jafar was the commander in chief of Sirajudullah. But they company people asked the help of commander in chief Mir Jafar. They told if we want Robert Clive promised Mir Jafar to make him the Nawab of Bengal after crushing Sirajudullah. So Sirajudullah was defeated by the Britishers in this war. So what happened? So their company's conspiracy means indirectly they asked the help from the Mir Jafar. Okay, you have to help us. So we will make you as a Nawab of Bengal. So finally, in this battle of Plassey, Sirajudullah was defeated by in this war. So reserve. With their support, the British forces defeated the forces of Sirajudullah in the Battle of 17. After this victory, the English East India Company became the real power in Bengal. So Mir Jafar became the puppet Nawab of Bengal. The English East India Company officials and their Indian agents forced the peasants and craft person to sell their goods at very low prices and thus made profits. Soon the company deposed Mir Jafar as Nawab and installed his son-in-law Mir Qasim in his place. So what is the result of this war? So Battle of Plassey became famous because it was the first major victory of the company won in India. Why this battle was very famous? Because it was the first major victory of the company won in India. After the victory, the East India Company became the real power in Bengal. Mir Jafar became the puppet Nawab of Bengal. The English East India Company officials and the Indian agents forces peasants and craftspersons to sell their goods in very low prices and thus made huge profits. Soon Mir Jafar also started protesting against the company. Before that, Mir Jafar also supporting the East India Company once became the ruler of Bengal, Nawab of Bengal. He also against protesting against the company. The company now deposed him. Now the company overthrew Mir Jafar, installed Mir Qasim as the ruler in his place. So Mr. Qasim, the new Nawab of Bengal, also tried to free himself from the company's rule. So following their victory in the Battle of Plassey, the English East India Company officials amassed huge wealth and began to copy the lavish lifestyles of the Indian potentates. In England, they were modeling referred to as nabobs. Okay, so here, so now the company people enjoying. Okay, so whom did the company install in place of Mir Jafar? Company installed Mir Qasim in place of Mir Jafar. So who? who were called Nawab. Several company officials returned to Britain with wealth and led lavish lives and showed their riches with great pride. They were called Nawabs. Who were called Nawabs? Several company officials returned to Britain with wealth and led flashy lives and showed their riches with great pride. They were called Nawabs. Finally, in this battle, Sirajuddaula was defeated by the Britishers in this war. So Mir Jafar was appointed as the Nawab of Bengal and installed his son-in-law Mir Qasim in his place. So soon Mir Jafar also started protesting against the company. The company deposed him and installed Mir Qasim as the ruler in his place. So that's all for today class. I hope you all understood. Meet you in the next class. Till then, revise the chapter thought. Thank you. Have a nice day.